Today the court has given a sentencing in regard to this case of the famous Willie Kimani case. We as the defense, and let me speak specifically for the first and the second accused who are now convicted. In this case, it's a judgment that has been enabled so that it can be able to convict. We believe that the court was this court under pressure. Were the NGOs, the LSK and other groups putting some kind of pressure? Did the court really want to just convict these people and wash its hands off? Here is a case whereby you have one accused person who's acquitted because his technology and the phone and the details of his movement in that day got him acquitted. The same technology that could have acquitted the first and second accused person, showing that they could not have been at the scene when this crime occurred, is used to convict them. So the court uses double standards. Is it because that it had to really find somebody guilty and had to cherry pick on who it had to do? The same court uses technology of a radio, saying that the accused person, first accused person, had a radio. But evidence on record shows that the first accused person never came to court to work on that day, and therefore did not have a radio, did not have access to it. Where did the court get that evidence? The accused person showed by a number of witnesses, 3 of them, including his boss, that on that particular day, at the time of the kidnapping, he was at Bangati, 13 kilometers away from where this incident occurred. Wasn't this sufficient? Even if the court believes that the accused person could have been involved in this issue, must it trust the evidence? Suspicion, however high, is not a ground to convict somebody. The accused person must get a benefit of doubt. The technology bears him out. It shows that he was not there on that day in the